How do you feel?
Very excited.
You don't look excited. Keep that. All right, welcome back to another video here on Traverse Culture. I am here with Miss Natasha, the CEO of PDM, and we are excited today. We are officially signing our partnership. How do you feel?
Very excited.
You don't look excited. Well, as you can see, this is very authentic. Y'all know how we do. We don't cut anything, but you're excited.
Yes, very excited.
You sure?
Yeah, definitely. It's just that I'm a bit worried about my hair.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Our audience love just seeing us be ourselves.
Okay, cool.
But yes, we're here with the CEO, Miss Natasha of PDM. Can you tell the audience just a little bit of what PDM does here in Nairobi, Kenya?
Sure. PDM stands for Property Development and Management, and we've been around for the past 60 years, and we operate in East Africa. We're a real estate developer and full life cycle property services company.
Yes, so our partnership is very strategic and important to our potential clients that's coming on board to relocate, to tap into the medical industry here, and to even do investigative tours. If you're not quite sure if you're ready to relocate, we have everything for you, especially now with our partnership. So make sure that you like, subscribe, comment, and share, because you're not going to get any information like this anywhere else but on Traverse Culture.
So welcome everybody to our offices. Starting with let me start with myself first. Yeah, so I'm Natasha Mutai. I'm the CEO of PDM Group.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Lorna Washira, and I support within the customer experience and marketing department.
Kia Wakesho Simmons, CEO and founder of Traverse Culture.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Victor Sirengo. I sit as head of legal for Traverse Culture. We saw the launch last year. We really appreciate that you're able to journey with us during that phase. And so what does this really mean to you guys?
As you know, we're experts in the real estate space, and we see a lot of foreign investors coming in here, and sometimes their investments don't really work, and then they blame the country, the economy, and say that, Kenya is not a good place to invest in. And when you actually drill down and see what went wrong, it's not that there was a problem with the economy, there was a problem with the people. It's just that they didn't get the right advice.
Correct.
So what we want to do for international investors, which is what we already do for local investors, is to be there to hold their hand. So as they come in, they avoid all these wrong things.
Roadblocks.
Yes,
yeah.
Exactly. Don't go there, or look at this. When you see this, think about that. So we're there to hold their hand and to make sure that, as much as possible, that their journey into real estate investment is smooth. We take away all the little issues, the roadblocks, pitfalls, etc. Yeah, and then we also have a really strong network within. We were part of the Aga Khan Development Network, so we've also got sister institutions who can also assist them in the journey, investment journey into Kenya or relocation into Kenya. And so now, when we heard about Traverse, we felt, there's actually a really good opportunity and synergies to work together, because you're bringing in those international investors, not only just to invest, but also possibly relocate and live here. So there is a way that we can now interact with them through, like a, not necessarily like a structured approach to it. Yeah. Where you bring them in and we hold your hand and their hands, and make it more comfortable for them to come in here and then eventually, hopefully, stay on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Because as we all know, Kenya is probably the best place in the world.
It is.
If we may say so ourselves.
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
I'm excited as well because, you know, I've been bragging about us going into partnership with PDM. I'm like, we're going into partnership with PDM in terms of the history and what you all stand for as a development company, and us being able to do future projects with you all without compromising the customer experience. You know, I think I said before, we do have clients that are relocating in the latter part of this year, the middle of this year, and they want to build. And I'm so excited because they want to build with us, which means we'll be building with PDM. And we're super excited to be able to have that proof of concept of being able to be that one-stop shop, especially now with this partnership with a credited property development company. So it means a lot to us. You guys give us more credibility, make us look good as a company, but working with you all make our job a bit easier as well. So I'm excited. We got a lot of work to do. 2026 is our year. And, you know, for our customers that will be watching this, or our potential customers that will be watching this, do your research, look up PDM and see how this is an added value to you, and that you will not be able to get this experience and expertise anywhere else in Kenya. I guarantee you that.
Thank you so much for such a warm introduction. From legal and governance point of view, this is very strategic to us as Traverze Culture Africa, because they were then coming on board to work with an entity that has been tried, tested, and approved in the market in itself. And so we feel privileged to work with you, and we're looking forward to having a very fruitful engagement during the implementation phase. So this particular MOU speaks about our shared values, but also has shown how much we are aligned in terms of what we want to achieve. And so I must congratulate and thank you guys at PDM for actually seeing this fruitful engagement come into fruition. So at this stage, I'll allow you guys to proceed with the execution. And to do so, I think we should start from Natasha.
From Natasha?
Exactly.
Okay. And she'll give me, and then I sign it?
Exactly.
Okay.
My special pen.
So should I hand this to her?
Yes, please.
Oh, you like sign. So we have signed our partnership. Yes. Are you excited?
Definitely so.
Okay, good. So we started off, you were excited. Semi-excited, seem, no? Kind of?
No, thoroughly excited.
Thoroughly excited.
Thoroughly excited.
Yes. So we have a lot in store for you all 2026 between Traverze Culture and PDM. If you are interested in relocating to Kenya, doing our investigative tour, or tapping into the healthcare system, make sure that you contact us at tverse.com and like, comment, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. We'll see you in the next video.